What's up, everybody? My name's Troy. I'm from Southern California. This is my Ruff bike co-sleeper. I've been riding FGFS since about 2011. Riding BMX my whole life before that. Switched completely to FGFS when I was 18. Yeah, this is my bike. Check it out. This is my Ruff bike co-sleeper. I have custom decals on it. Made them myself. A couple stickers from the friends and everything. Beautiful 84 kick right here. So for my front end, I'm running the Ruff Bike Co GC bars to a fixated stem, brand new, lovely. I have the sleeper drowsy fork that came with the frame set. Demolition momentum tires with MTX 33s with no stickers and custom stickers. I have a Merit nonstop front hub and some Odyssey metal pegs. The seat, I run a Merit Brandon Began seat. Nice and cushiony, soft, matches the green. I have the fixated sprocket with both the bash guards, only silver. I run a 24mm crank arms, Primo Churchill 24mm with a Shadow interlock V2 chain. My back end is also an MTX 33 with a demolition momentum tire. Laced to a master hub. I'm running currently a 25 10 tooth on it. For the straps, the beautiful Bigfoot, best straps in the game. This is my bike. Take it all over the world now. If I got one thing to say to you guys, go out and ride with your friends. Go ride your bike for you, not for anybody else. Don't ride for people. Ride for yourself, for your heart. You're either born to do this or you're not. We ride. Yeah, bye.